Gaano ka katagal dito? How long have you been here? Nagustuhan mo ba ang lugar? Do you like the place? Kilala mo ba siya? Do you know him or her? Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Where do you work? Ano ang mga hilig mo? What are your hobbies? May gusto ka bang ikwento? Do you want to share something? Gusto mo bang maglakad-lakad? Would you like to take a walk? Taga saan ka? Where are you from? Pwede ba kitang samahan? Can I join you? Kumusta ka na? How are you? Anong ginagawa mo? What are you doing? Anong plano mo ngayon? What's your plan for today? Gusto mo bang mag-usap tayo? Do you want us to talk? Saan ka napupunta? Where are you going then? Anong oras na ba? What time is it? Pwede ba kitang tanungin? May I ask you something? Kailan ka pa dumating? Since when did you arrive? Kailan ka babalik? When will you come back? May bala ka bang lumabas? Are you planning to go out? Anong paborito mong pagkain? What's your favorite food? Pwede ba kitang makilala? Can I get to know you? Kailan tayo magkikita? When are we going to meet? Mahilig ka ba sa musika? Do you like music? Sino ang kasama mo ngayon? Who are you with right now? Kumusta ang pamilya mo? How is your family? Kumusta ang mga kapatid mo? How are your siblings? Sa kanila ka ba nakatira? Do you live with them? May kilala ka ba rito? Do you know someone here? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? What are you doing right now? Nagugutom ka ba? Are you hungry? Gusto mo bang sumama? Do you want to come along? Pwede kitang yayain sa labas? Can I invite you to go out? Gusto mo bang magkape? Do you want to have coffee? Saan mo gustong kumain? Where do you like to eat? May alam ka bang masarap na kainan? Do you know a good place to eat? Naglalakad ka lang ba? Are you just walking? Gusto mo bang sumama sa amin? Do you want to join us? Paano mo nalaman ito? How do you know this? Saan ka naglalagi? Where do you usually stay? Anong gusto mong pag-usapan? What do you want to talk about? Mahilig ka bang magbasa? Do you like reading? Ano ang paborito mong libro? What is your favorite book? Gusto mo bang maglaro? Do you want to play? Gusto mo bang umupo? Do you want to sit down? Madalas ka bang pumunta rito? Do you often come here? Anong masasabi mo tungkol dito? What can you say about this? May gusto ka bang itanong? Do you want to ask something? Kilala mo ba ang taong iyon? Do you know that person? Gusto mo bang makita ito? Do you want to see this? Pwede mo ba akong samahan? Can you accompany me? Kumusta ang biyahe mo? How was your trip? Anong oras ang alis mo? What time are you leaving? Gusto mo bang sumakay sa bus? Do you want to ride on a bus? Paano ka nakapunta rito? How did you get here? May gusto ka bang bilhin? Are you going to buy something? Anong hinahanap mo? What are you looking for? Anong oras ka gumigising? What time do you wake up? Anong oras ka natutulog? What time do you sleep?